if 50% of your class raises their hand after you teach a concept, what does that tell you? It tells you that there's not a problem with the child. There's probably a problem in the way I delivered that, and I basically should go back and do it a different way. Not make the mistake of repeating and doing the same thing over and over. That's like me getting into a cab in another country where I don't speak the language. I get into the cab, I give them directions. They say I don't speak English, and so what do? What do we always do? I talk louder and slower in English. And the poor cab driver's like, hey, lady, I just don't speak the language. But we do that a lot. We give you another dose of what we just gave you the same way we just gave it to you. And the only way we'll give you something different is if we identify you as having some sort of disabling condition, when that shouldn't be. That should happen at a tier 1. That, folks, is what differentiated instruction is in the first place. Not every kid is going to do the same worksheet or learn the same thing on the same day. I teach it, I check for understanding. If I don't get 85% in my classroom that get it and nail it, I go back and I teach it a different way.
Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.